What's poppin', guys? Welcome to our new series, Buy or Buy. Okay, guys? So in this series, we're going to be breaking down stocks. It's going to be very much like the hope or hype segment of this channel, right? Where we break down stocks, where we discuss whether the news and the rumors are worth the hype, or worth buying the stock or not. And in today's video, we're going to be discussing none other than my favorite SPAC deal, my favorite SPAC company, CCIV. Okay, guys, CCIV, ticker CCIV, Churchill Capital. Guys, but before we get started, just a notice, guys, if you're watching this video on anything other than the YouTube app, make sure you click on the bottom somewhere up there that says go to app or watch on app or whatever, right? So you guys get to watch this video more clearly, right? And not on browser like Google or something like that, right, guys? Because nobody likes that, right? The video looks weird and etc. All right, guys, so without further ado, do that please, and let's get this video started. All right, guys, so before we get started, it's important to discuss what is a SPAC. Okay, a SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company, right? These guys kind of work as a shell company to take another company that's not public or on the stock market onto the stock market. Okay, so for example, let's say I own a company that's on the stock market. Okay, my name is, let's say, Money Talk. Okay, my company name is Money Talk, and we're already on the stock market. Okay, we've already done the IPO stuff and everything, but we don't have a product to sell. Okay, you, viewer X, okay, viewer X has a product, okay, called the, I don't know, let's call it the X-Mobile. I don't know, the X-Mobile. Okay, you have the product X-Mobile under the company X Viewer. Okay, but you're not on the stock market, but you want to get on the stock market, but you're like, is it really worth it? The IPO cost, the IPO timing, it takes so much time, it takes so much money. I'm like, hey, wait, do you want to, we can work something out here. You know, us at Money Talk, we're missing a product, but we're on the stock market. And you at Viewer X Corporation, you have a product and you want to come on the stock market. So why don't we acquire your company, hypothetically, right? You will still have the same board, everything will be the same, just your company will be under our ticker symbol, aka Money Talk. Okay, oh my god, guys, this poster, man, this poster. All right, guys, so that's exactly what's happening between Lucid Motors and CCIV. CCIV is the SPAC company, which is kind of the shell company, right, which is missing a product, and Lucid Motors, these sexy cars, that's their product. Okay, these guys are the ones that have the product and want to join the stock market. Okay, so these guys are like, hey, let's get together, let's join the stock market. This poster, man, this, I'm gonna throw it out. I'm done. I know I say that every video. For you guys, if you're a new viewer, guys, this poster has been giving me trouble since day one. Okay, and I know some of you guys may be like, put some sticky tab on it, put some whatever on it. It's got sticky tab, it's got tape, it's got glue, it's got, I might put gum on it, I don't know. Okay, I've tried everything, it doesn't work. Okay, I think it has to do with the paint of this room or something. You see it keeps coming off, okay, so you guys are gonna see me fix this poster 50 times. All right, so excuse me. All right, anyways, so going back to Churchill, right, there's been a lot of hype regarding this deal, right, regarding the Lucid deal, and it's been up almost 200% on the monthly based on only rumors. Okay, so a whole lot of FOMO, buying. A little bit of news comes out, which is basically almost no news, right? There's no yes or no, and then it just keeps going up. But here's where things get interesting. Okay, you guys know the corporations, right, that people were trying to take down during the GameStop frenzy or whatever, right? The guys that are supposed to be supposedly ahead of the market, they get insider news, etc., etc. Well, guess what? They own over 50% of CCIV stocks. Crazy, right? That's good news. If you're a CCIV holder, that's very good news. Okay. Now, when it comes to the share price, right? When it comes to the share price, there's a lot of people saying, "Oh my God, it's already so overpriced. It's valued at I don't know how many billions." I'm gonna put the price up there, right? It's already valued more than NEO, and NEO has products in. They already have products in production and etc. They have cars, they're selling cars, blah blah blah. But CCIV and Lucid, they have no product, no whatever. So this is what people say, okay? So even if the deal goes through, oh my god, the price wouldn't really move. But guess what, guys? Over the past like 5 or 6 years, right, that I've been studying the stock market, studying the market, etc., very, very passionately and very, very hard, right, guys? One thing I've realized over and over again, okay, and this is gonna sound really stupid when you say it, but it will make sense, okay? It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. The price, the cost of a stock, the market value, the market cap, it does not matter, okay? It does not matter, especially when it comes to something like electric vehicles, okay? Electric vehicles, something that's speculative, right? A business more speculative, let's say, for example, an app, right? Anything internet related, right? Anything that could be maybe futuristic or something, right? You can't base the price of the stock when it comes to speculative stocks, right? Or futuristic stocks, or whatever you want to call them, okay? Based on the earnings. You can't do that, because the way these stocks work is simply based on people's emotions, just like any other stock in the market, okay? Almost any other stock, okay? It's not about the dividends, it's not about this, it's all about news. It's all about how are people feeling about the stock in the moment the stock is out right now. On a Monday morning at 9:30, what do people think of this stock? Is it a good investment or is it a bad investment? Now, it doesn't matter if it's actually a good investment or it's a bad investment, right? Because the stock price is not a representation of the value of a company, okay? That sounds so stupid, I know, but it's not. It's a representation of the sentiment regarding that stock, okay, guys? And if you guys don't believe me, just take a look at Tesla, right? $800 billion, right? Almost $1 trillion worth. Do you guys think Tesla is worth $1 trillion? No, it's not, okay? It's nowhere worth near $1 trillion, all right? Now, I know I've been using Tesla for this example over and over again, and I know I got these Tesla lovers all hating me and stuff, but listen, guys, the point I'm trying to make is that if good news comes out, right, the CCIV stock price will 100, I don't like to say 100%, but screw it, I'm saying it for this video, okay? Because I'm sure 100% go up, okay? And I would like to say at least another 30%, at least another 30%. But don't exit the video and go buy some stocks right now, okay, guys? Okay, you silly fools, all right? I don't know why I said that. Silly fools. Sounds weird. All right, you guys. So basically, the way it works, right, is that if the deal doesn't go through, though, right? If the CCIV deal doesn't go through, if the Lucid deal doesn't go through with CCIV stocks are basically doomed. Okay, they're basically doomed, because at the price they are right now, right? At the price CCIV stocks are right now, let's see the market cap. No. There's a market cap of $13 billion. Okay, $13 billion. Right? And like I said previously, right, when it comes to electric vehicles, right, or EVs, right, the market cap is unjustifiable. Like you can't explain why is it so high. All right? But regarding other sectors, it doesn't get so crazy. Okay, guys? It does get kind of crazy. My bad. I just fix something on my camera. It does get kind of crazy, but not $13 billion market cap with not even one product out yet crazy, okay? So there's a lot of people saying, oh, well, you know what? If the Lucid deal doesn't go through, Churchill Capital, they will just find another deal, okay? They will just find another deal, and then the stock will just be all right, okay? But it doesn't work like that, because like I said, like 2 seconds ago, it's only the EV sector where a stock could be worth, have a market cap of $13.7 billion with no product, all right? So unless they're going to partner with another Lucid Motors, right, and regarding Lucid Motors, this is a great company, okay? The reason why I'm not going to get super in depth with Lucid Motors is because I'm going to have another video out specifically on Lucid Motors, right, comparing them to Tesla, to NIO, going over their technology, and on and on. So with that being said, guys, make sure to subscribe, okay? Because every day, almost every day, every other day, okay, I come out with new content regarding the hottest stocks, right? Regarding the hottest discussions. This poster doesn't even let me give myself a shout out, man. Oh my god. All right, guys. So if you guys hit the subscribe button, I will post a video burning this poster. All right, I'm just kidding. I won't do that, but please hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button. Okay, guys. So now that we are almost done with the fundamentals, one more thing, right? One more thing. So there's this guy, okay? There's this guy, Andrew Leveris, right? There's another hot take, all right, guys? So turns out, right, there is a lot more going on between Churchill and Lucid, right, than just a SPAC deal. And no, they're not sleeping together, guys, right? But it looks like they kind of have the same board of directors, someone on the board of director for both companies. So Andrew Leveris, this handsome guy, right? I'm gonna put a photo of him up there, right? He's the chairman of Lucid board of directors, and he's also a chairman, right, of the CCIV board of directors. He's also on the CCIV board. That's like, I don't know, honestly. One more thing. Okay, so when it comes to this, right, when it comes to the whole Andrew Leveris thing, right, him being both on CCIV and Lucid Motors, right, Motors, or however you say it, or depending on where you're from, that kind of makes me like think of, I wonder what the SEC's thinking about that, right? Because if the deal goes through, right, would that not be considered insider trading? Okay, so if he knows that, and he's pushing for the deal to go through, and he works for the both companies, right? Would that be considered, or should that be considered insider trading or not, right? But we don't care. Who cares? All right, let the guy make his money as long as the deal goes through and we make some money too. All right. But with that being said, guys, so Andrew Leveris being on board of both Lucid Motors and CCIV, that kind of puts CCIV in even a better place. Okay. And guess what? Guess what else about Andrew Leveris? All right. He's also an investment advisor for the Saudi Arabia Private Investment Fund. Okay. And who funds Lucid? You know this. Who funds Lucid? The Arabs. All right. The Arabs do. All right. Saudi Arabia does. Okay. So this guy's literally, he's the link. He's like in the middle of the spider web. You know. He's got everyone just tangled to him. He's like, yeah, come here. So Lucid, CCIV. All right. Let's go, Arab guy. Pay up. All right. So it's, what I'm trying to say is that in this video, right, I'm just trying to break down the rumors and why I would think that the deal will go through and why the deal wouldn't go through. Okay, none of this is really my opinion. Okay, even though I do hold CCIV stocks, but I did not enter anywhere near $54. Okay, guys, because to me, that is the risk. The risk of that is really high. Okay, the risk of getting in right now is really high because the stock could ultimately drop 5 times in value. Okay, and go from $54. This poster, oh my god, I'm gonna just leave it up there. Sorry if you have OCD or something like that. All right. So yeah, right, I was saying it could drop 5 times in price back to $10. Okay, where it was before all this Lucid Motors talk and blah blah blah. Okay, so it could go all the way from $50 to $10, or it could go up. That's the thing. I don't think it will go up 5 times after their deal is confirmed. I don't think it will go up 5 times right after the deal is confirmed. Okay. Now, will it go up 5 times in the future? Hell yeah. Do I love Lucid Motors? Hell yeah, I do. Okay. All right. Middle Eastern gang. All right. Let's go. Okay, guys. So I do believe that, but I think right now at $52, it's really high. Okay. And I know there's been speculations and there's been people talking, oh my god, there's going to be there's rumors that, oh my god, there's going to be an announcement on Monday, oh my god, Monday they're going to come out with who said that? Just because it's a Monday, just because it's the first of the week, they're going to come out with an announcement? Who said that, bro? Who said that? Nobody. No, you just made that up, okay? And that's what I mean about emotional trading, emotional investing, right? Which is what literally 90% of investors do, okay? But like I said before, right? This stock, there's 50%, over 50% of the shareholders are corporations, okay? And are institutionals, are institutional funds or whatever you call them, okay? Hedge funds, whatever, all right? Banks and etc. All right, guys. So now, right? Now, with that being said, okay, I want you guys to let me know how many stocks at what entry price you're holding of CCIV, if you're holding any. And if you're not, what is your plan regarding this stock? Because I'm telling you guys, if you're holding NEO or something like that, right? I definitely believe that selling NEO and buying Lucid Motors when the deal is confirmed, not yet, okay? I'm not saying buy CCIV right now. When the deal is confirmed, that will be very, very beneficial for you, okay? Because regarding NEO, I know I'm going to touch on this on my next video, but I'm just going to give you guys a preview, all right? So regarding NEO, right? NEO plans on expanding globally by 2024 or whatever, okay? But what does globally mean? Are they going to come to the United States? Are NEO cars going to be able to come to the United States? Because let's take a look at what happened with Huawei, right? The Chinese phone. As we know, China loves meddling with their companies, right? Meddling with the businesses, taking data from them and etc., right? Which is exactly why Huawei phones are not allowed to be used or bought or sold or whatever in the United States. Will the same happen to NEO? Well, let me tell you something. We don't know, okay? We don't know if the same will happen to NEO, but we do know the same won't happen to Lucid, all right? Because Arabs, they couldn't care less what the Americans are up to because they're rich, baby, all right? They're rich, okay? So they don't care. They're not looking for no trouble, right? They got that oil money. They're set, all right? So with that being said, guys, once again, I come up with new content every single day, right? Financial content. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, right? And comment down below what's your entry price and what price target you have for CCIV. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Money Talk out.